A tetrachord, in the general sense, is simply a collection of four notes. Tetra means four. Including the reiteration of the tonic, or scale degree 1, at the top of the scale, the diatonic major scale divides conveniently into two tetrachords, upper and lower, that have the same interval construction, whole step, half step. The repeated whole step, half step tetrachord structure highlights a kind of bond or parallelism between scale degrees 1, 2, 3, 4 and scale degrees 5, 6, 7, 1. We can map one onto the other by transposing, that is, moving the notes up or down as a group by a common interval, perfect fifth. That is to say that we can map the lower tetrachord onto the upper tetrachord if we begin it on scale degree 5, the dominant. In the next pair of lectures, we will systematically transpose the tetrachords to reveal a pattern of scale relations that generates the circle of fifths.